here's something you haven't seen me do in a while. Packed and prepped and prepared. I'm ready. I'm ready. It's been, what, almost 4 months since my soft retirement. My buddy calls me and he's like, yo, we got to do this. And I was like, yo, So, I haven't flown in like 4 months. I'm going to feel really weird behind the sticks. I hope my batteries are in good shape. I hope my goggles are still in good shape. I don't know. I hope I don't plug this rig in and it just starts on fire. It hasn't flown since the drone meet. And it's just been having a beautiful shelf life, enjoying this awesome weather, staring out the window for 4 months. So, well, let's go see Drone On. Let's go hang out with Brian. He's my boy. I've known him a long time. He lives like 35 miles from me now, so a little bit of a drive out there, but let's go. Let's go say what's up. Okay, I'm on the long trip here. I apologize, my microphone's picking up all the noise. I drive a manual stick shift, so it makes a little bit of noise while you're driving, that's for sure. So yeah, we're cruising. I've got a good drive ahead of me, 30 miles or so. I just filled the tank, cruise control set. Got her in 5th gear and we're just riding out until we get to Brian's. I'm back on a fruit kick. I've been getting really bloated lately from eating too much meat, so Dan's back on a heavy fruit kick. So I actually have 3 bananas and 2 apples with me. That's pretty much all I'm eating today, is a good amount of fruit. So, but yeah, it's been a while since I've flown FPV, and I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about why. I know I did I pulled a soft retirement 4 months ago, basically at this point. And right after the South Florida drone meet, I pulled a soft retirement. And to be honest, guys, I'm really happy I did. I stepped away for a fair amount of time now. And, I flew the sim yesterday because I knew that we were trying to plan a little get-together for flying. I flew the sim like yesterday or the day before, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so wonky behind the sticks. It feels weird. It's going to be really bad footage today, I can promise you that, just because it's been that long. As you don't fly, you start forgetting the characteristics of how moves work, and you got to kind of get back into that flow of things. And I'm gonna feel really stupid behind the sticks today. So, but anyways, I pulled that soft retirement because I don't like where the community's heading. I still don't like where it's heading. So as far as I'm concerned, this is me flying with my friends. I'm bringing my GoPro because it's a new area and I like to record it. And I figured, hell, if I'm gonna be out there and I'm gonna be recording, I may as well share it with you guys. And plus, my boy B. I like to help Brian out. Brian's still trying to grow his YouTube channel. He's Drone On. If you guys haven't subscribed to him, I suggest subscribing to him. He's been trying to grow his channel for a long time. He's probably one of the best whoop pilots that I know. He is just so flowy behind the sticks on whoops. It's crazy. Even micros, he's good. He's really good. If you've never subscribed to Drone On YouTube channel, you should definitely do that. With that being said, guys, I've got a long drive ahead of me here. I'm gonna smash through a banana real quick, drink some water, hydrate. It's gonna be a hot one today. Poop. And I'm certainly not coming out of retirement. This is me flying with a friend and just kind of sharing that with you guys. So there you go. I haven't even tried to find a motorcycle project in a while. I've just been enjoying life, playing on the jet ski, riding my motorcycle, having fun with the girlfriend, so I guess I should probably start looking for a new motorcycle project here pretty soon because, it's that time. It's that time to find a new bike and start making some more video content for you guys that you're, here for. So, anyways, let me finish this drive and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm out here with the B-Meister. There he is. Say hi to this guy while he puts in a little stick time. Yeah. I came out to his domain out here over some water, and there's some jet ski guys about to put in and lay some buoys. I haven't flown in a long time. Seems like an intelligent idea just to go try to chase some jet skis when I haven't flown in a long time over water. We're gonna do that. Let's see if we can lose a drone today. But I'll try to do it in style if it goes down, okay? And if you don't see the footage, it's because I don't have a GoPro anymore and it was attached to the drone. So if this is as far as the video gets, I guess you know what happened.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. Yeah. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. I'm feeling good. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.